Okay, wait. Hold on. We're going a little... Hey, wait a minute. We're going a little too fast. This is a little too fast for my liking. The dark towers of Brennenburg rose above the forest, and we were silhouetted against the snow-white moon. He couldn't help feeling sad. What? I'm just okay? I'm just okay? No one ever falls from an elevator and is just okay. Oh, I'm not okay. I got a few cuts and bruises. My razor scooter hit my ankle on the way down from the elevator.
Forgive me, I should have warned you.
That elevator's broken.
Is that of a prison warden?
I should have warned you, dude.
This is where criminals are locked up.
Like a dungeon?
Very much so. Come, don't linger.
You think I'm lingering? I'm running as fast as I can. Alright, gotta get more rocks out of the way. Be gone, rocks. Ugh. Open sesame. Kill the roach. Excuse me? Excuse me? Hard pass. Nope. Hard pass, hard pass. Move the rock, move the rock, move the rock, move the rock. Got him. Oh, it's no one. That's disappointing. Hey, how about I'm about to run out of light? That's got nothing. So there's something in here, I suppose, but I don't have anything anymore. Are there people here? Not anymore. Oh, look. They are not. Oh, was this in the past? Okay, there's definitely people about, and it's freaking me the... Ow. Someone's coming. My sanity is not so good right now. What is this? A hammer. Hey, that's something. Why my brain so bad? Why my brain so bad? Is it because of this door? We'll take care of that. We won't take care of that. Nope. Pass. He really didn't see me? I think he saw me. I'm gonna take a mild guess. I'm gonna say I'm dead. What up, G? Can I hit him with a hammer? Here, one sec, let me save. I can only save and exit. Options. Fair enough. First, let me try it on this. Bro, I got a hammer. Watch out. Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone. Nope. What is happening? I can't use the hammer? Something else is needed. That's useful. Hey, finally. What the heck? Where's he now? Why isn't it closing? Okay, he can tell when I close the doors. So that's not really something I should be doing around him. Hey, what up, bro? How about you don't? Okay. Yep. Okay. Carry, okay. He's mad. Understandably so. I was in the wrong. Okay. That's, I mean, technically, I don't have to carry on. What the heck? That's not very nice. Make me start off like that? Where am I? Was I supposed to die to... Where am I? Oh, here I am. I have my bearings. Alright. Now, ladies. Okay, I did something.
But Mother, I don't want to leave without you.
Hurry, child. You must go. Find Gabriel, the Outrider, and tell him to alert the
Dude, I
kids.
didn't even need your stupid vision. I already knew what to do. I've played video games
We
before.
don't have time to make the hole any wider.
It's not this.
Hurry. I'll cover the hole with a bed. Everything will be fine. I promise.
What else is there? Can I have like a rock or something? Trash can? No. Hey, I did it. Cool. Obviously, I need something else. Come on, why even design the texture if you're not gonna let me use them? What am I hearing? Is he upstairs? This is the worst. Alright, so I need something to... Okay. I guess that's spooky. kind of just a nuisance at this point. Here's what I can use the hammer on finally. You give me an item and then say, hey, you may not put this item to use. You give me dozens of things that it would make sense if I used the item on, but no, you don't want to do that. Use this item. Use a lockpick to pick a lock. No, you don't want to do that. What you want to do is you want to find a rat with the right size teeth, and you got to insert those teeth into a little box, and in that box, what you'll find is it's gonna be a model magic minifigure. I'm having another vision.
Where did she go?
Where did she come from, Cotton Eye Jane?
I'll never tell you.
You're just making things worse. Look, this is no place for a young girl all by herself.
Chipper.
She could be hurt or worse. There's no telling what horrors await down there.
Sounds like freedom. Freedom. Oh, Chipper with the oh. Haha. Oh. All right, we are in a hole. I'll see you guys in the next episode.